Nĩ gĩikaro kĩa maabitha ũgima wa mwĩrĩ wa mũingĩ bũrũri-inĩ yunivasĩtĩ-inĩ ya KU kũrĩa maracemanirie kwaranĩria na arutwo arĩa marathomera kothi ĩno. Hĩndĩ ya gĩikaro gĩkĩ arũgamĩrĩri a kĩama kĩa Arigitani bũrũri-inĩ nĩ mararutire mũkana wa kũiga MIRO thĩ thutha wa makaya mao kwaga gũthikĩrĩrio nĩ thirikari.
To our health facilities, 70% of our illnesses, the illnesses are actually causing pressure on our health facilities are 100% communicable. Comrades, power. We are asking the government. The other day we saw in the budget, you put almost 700 billion to education. While we appreciate education is very important, we also must be able to say that you cannot go to a class and study when you are sick. Comrades, power. You gave a Minister of Health only a paltry 138 billion Kenya shillings. We have had our interns, our public health interns not being paid. We have seen a government that is so discriminative. They pay medical officers, they pay clinical officers, they pay nurses, interns. When it comes to public health officers, interns, there's no money. So we are asking this and we are demanding that we want our public health officers, interns to be paid. Comrades, power. That if they don't pay, say if they don't pay. If they don't pay. We are putting the government on notice. If they don't pay. If they don't pay. In the next 14 days. We are actually going to resume our industrial action.
Hamwe na maũndũ mangĩ, arũgamĩrĩri a kĩama gĩkĩ makiuga gũkoretwo na mũthutũkanio wa ndekanine, o ũndũ ũmwe na marĩhi ma igoti kũrĩ interns rũhonge-inĩ rũrũ. Marendekithia thirikari yandĩke interns rũhonge-inĩ rũrũ nĩ marĩhĩte maabitha angĩ ũgima wa mwĩrĩ, makĩendekithia nyongera harĩ bajeti ya rũhonge rwa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ, ĩrĩa mwaka-inĩ wa thirikari yarĩ ciringi birioni 138.
I want to make it clear is in terms of employment. We have majority of numbers from the Ministry of Health who have gone for greener pastures, others due to natural attrition, and they have also retired. So we have a huge number there. And one thing is that huge number can be replaced by our officers who are here. Yes. So we want to make sure that we have our inlet and outlet very safe, so that now we can have future for our own and having public health that has future. At the same time, I want to say this. We cannot be giving prevention 18 billion, yet we are giving curative over 120 billion. Yes. That shows that we are a nation that is making us to fall sick rather than prevention. Yes. We want our interns to be paid. Yes. Thank you. Comrades, power.
Power. We shall not tire until public health students get their rights. Comrades, power. Power. We will tell the government that all the interns must be paid. Yes. We can't study 4 years. Without 2 years attachment, we are going for 2 times. Yes. Then when you go for interns, you don't get money. Yes. Comrades, power. Teachers are getting money. Why public health? Comrades, power. Interns must be paid.
O nĩ morĩtie thirikari gwĩkĩra hinya makĩria harĩ gũthaitĩra mĩrimũ. Atongoria a arutwo gũkũ magĩtarĩria moritũ kĩhĩri marĩa makoretwo makĩgerea ũkĩringithania na aruna ao.
Solidarity forever, for the union makes us strong.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Mathiũ Ndung'u wa Mbũgua.